So this example of drawing a triangle consists of three different set of instructions. We have a set of instructions for length, angle, length. All right. So right over here it says we need to draw a triangle XYZ. Okay. The length of X line segment X and Y is equal to 4 centimeters. So right off the bat, I will be drawing a line segment of 4 centimeters, like so, starting at 0 on your ruler, all the way to 4. All right, I am quickly going to name or label the line segment right away as X and Y, and just so that I know this is 4 centimeters. So step 1 is done. Check. Okay. I quite often like to put a little dot at the end so I can see it easier when I'm creating my angles. All right, so the next step is angle X is equal to 40 degrees. Okay, so I need to look for where my angle X starts, which is at point X right there. Okay, I need to align my protractor now with this point being in the middle of my protractor, like so. And then I need to rotate my protractor around that point until the line that we just drew is on the 0 marker on the protractor. And I'm going to stop right there. Perfect. All right, now that my protractor is aligned, I need to go up to 40 degrees. Well, some students, a common mistake with students is that they count from this side here because, well, frankly, it's easier to look at the upper numbers and go, oh, 40, done. That's not true. You always have to start with where the line that you drew is lined up to 0. And we know that our line is here and it's on this 0 here. So we need to look at the inside numbers. So we're going to count from the inside. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, which is right there. All right, perfect. So then I'm going to make a little mark at 40 degrees, taking the straight edge of my protractor and simply connecting the dots. So right now we have this angle at angle X is 40 degrees. All right, so check. Our next set of instructions is that the length of line segment X or Y and Z is equal to 3 centimeters. All right, so we have X, we have Y, so point Z has to be somewhere up here. All right, I'm going to draw Z to remind me, but this line has to be 3 centimeters long. So I take my ruler. All right, I'm going to put the 3 on this point here, and I am going to rotate my ruler until this line is 3 centimeters, which means this point has to hit this line somewhere. Right now, if I drew this line, it will not be 3 centimeters. So I'm going to rotate it until, right there. Oops. Okay, so from this point here to this point here in the line is exactly 3 centimeters long. All right, I will label it 3 centimeters. All right, and we know that a triangle doesn't have little extra pieces there, so I'm going to erase that to clean it up. And now we know that this point is point Z. So now you have it. You have a length, you have an angle, you have a second length.